Here I am. I can disappear, make objects appear,
Now,
and appear
I
again
say
in the same
make.
place. Appear, and appear again in the same place.
Okay, so now I'm going to split it here, split. And in these 2 seconds, I want to make an object appear. This object that I want it to appear is the screen room that I was setting up here. You can see in this video that I am setting up the screen, the green screen, sorry, the screen room, no, the green screen. And finally, I finish, and here it is. So I have this green screen. I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, and now I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna put the sound here. And now I delete this one. Let's see how it looks like.
Objects appear.
Okay, so you can see the effect.
Objects appear.
Okay, what I did is, you can see in the video that I was setting up all this, but I delete all the process. Finally, I just got when it set it up.
And appear again in the same place.
Vale, I'm gonna again make it longer. To do that, I'm gonna paste more, edit, paste, edit, paste, because I didn't record enough time.